This illustration deals with mechanical execution of work. And the main purpose of change is this new subdivision has been added to address cables and conductors exposed on the surface of buildings, ceilings, and sidewalks. Cables and conductors are required to be supported by the building structure in such a manner that the cables and conductors will not be damaged by normal building use and secured by hardware that includes such things as straps, staples, cable ties, hangers, or similar fittings designed and installed so as not to damage the cable. Now notice another thing, they list here things that can be used to support that cable. Now, one of the first things I'd like to point out is the note. The installation to building, ceilings, and sidewalks should be done in such a manner not to damage the cable. Now, that's kind of in the purpose of the change. But notice that the raceways shall be supported to the building structure with straps, cables, ties, staples, or similar fittings that naturally the authority having jurisdiction would approve. And I'd kind of like to review some of the information and the arrows are pointing to this equipment. This is kind of important to me. Notice that identified raceways shall be permitted to be used as supporting means. Sometimes the inspector, if you don't have any conductors in the conduit, they'll allow you to use it as a supporting means by 300.11C as in car, but that's the grace of the inspector. You need to check on that C. But it talks about identified raceways that can be used as a support. Now look at the next one. Raceways shall not be used as a support, period, without they're identified as such. Cable shall not be used as a support, period, by 300.11B and D as in dog. Metal liquid pipe, non-electrical type of equipment, then that's addressed in 300.11B and D. So we hope that this new definition that ties in with NEC 110.12C as in car will make it very clear about the mechanical execution of work, and it's done in a safe and reliable manner.